Okay, good morning, guys. I want to show off the greatest Chrome extension known to man. And this will hopefully help some of you guys that are struggling every once in a while with your bookmarks, finding the HHHS hub, and just increase productivity if you're working inside of the Google environment. So basically what I'm going to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. You can either click on the link that's going to be here, create a new tab, you should see one pop up, or just type in Chrome Web Store. So I'll just click on that. Okay, and you're going to look for App Launcher. Now, if I just come back here for a second, the App Launcher is this new little apps icon or grid system that replaced the black bar that went across the top, and you can see that it gives you these main ones. The nice thing about this is now you can totally customize this. I did a video and shared it a little while ago, but this one is going to be a little bit more specific to us. Okay, so this is the extension you're looking for, the App Launcher. So you're going to hit free, click add. And you're going to want to do this when you are logged into your Chrome so that it syncs across every other device that you have as well, or every other account that you have. Okay, so all done. You can just click to close that and just open up a new tab or come back to a previous one. If you come back to previous one, you just have to do a quick refresh. Okay, and now when you click on it, you're going to see that you've now got columns of 4, and there's actually other items in here. At the very bottom, you're going to hit configure. The services on the right are the ones that are going to show up in your grid, and these ones on the left you can just drag across. Now, for me, I don't use the web search, so I'm going to get rid of it. I don't use the Play Store, I don't use Translate, don't use Wallet, don't use Shopping, and I don't use Blogger. Okay, but there are a couple more in here that I do want to add. So, for example, I want to bring my contacts as one. I want to grab forms. Oh, this is a good one. Gmail, new mail. I'm going to put that at the very top and drag that up. Let's see what else. Groups, if you use groups a lot, you might want to do that one. I use Keep because it's kind of replaces Evernote. Let's see, where's Docs? That's what I need. Docs. There's Docs. I use Sheets quite a bit, so I'm going to find Sheets. There's Sites. Okay, and looks pretty good. I mean, you can go through those and spend quite a while figuring out all the different ones that you want to have show up in that launcher. And again, you can also rearrange these. But the reason I added Sheets and Docs, I'll show you guys in a second. But the one other thing I do want to show you is you can add a custom shortcut. So I'm going to click on this, okay, and I'm going to type in HHHS hub. And now I just need to find that actual link, so let me just copy that. Okay, come back in here. I'm going to paste that in, and then for me, I'm just going to do a little icon at the bottom, so I'll just go to Google, type in school icon, go into the images, find one that's kind of by itself. That looks, oh, this looks like Hunting Hills. I'll click on that. Copy the image URL. Okay, come back into here, paste it in, hit Save Service. You'll notice at the very bottom there's now the HHHS hub. I'll drag it to the very top. Okay, and maybe I'll do one more, which is the HHHS website, which I don't know off the top of my head. 19 Hills. Okay, paste that in. And then same thing, if you wanted to do another icon, you certainly can. Hit Save Service. It's at the bottom. Doesn't have an icon, but that's fine. I'll just drag it to the top. I'll put it there. I use maps, but not that often, so I'm going to drag it down a little bit. That all looks pretty good. Okay, now this is, again, no saving inside of Google, so this is already saved. So basically I just need to go into a new tab or refresh the other one. Now when I click refresh, okay, you should see now I've now got the hub. So if I click on that, takes me straight to the hub. Pretty slick. Okay, if I click on the HH website, it takes me to the website. So you can basically add any sites that you frequent on a regular basis into here as well, to just for quick, easy access. Now the reason I did the Sheets and the Docs is by clicking on docs right here or even forms, it's going to automatically create a new one. So think about the old way of creating a doc. You'd have to click on Drive, then you'd have to click Create, then you'd have to click Doc. So that was 3 clicks, where from here I can just click and do Doc, and it's going to automatically open up a brand new doc for me that I can then just hit start working on. So fantastic app, probably the extension, the one that I use the most. Should increase your productivity, as well as make sure that you're finding the hub and those other important resources a little bit more easily. That's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. See you later.